Hey guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be from the company Bilacewig. But before I get started on all the details, guys, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. Also, turn your notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. So the unit I will be showing you guys today is their loose wave lace front wig. This one is in the length 20 inches, and then it is 150% in density. As you guys can see out of the package, it does have a nice kind of deeper wave, but it will loosen up once you wash the unit. Now, as far as the cap construction goes, this one does have the fake scalp. Plus, it also has 13 by 6 inches of parting space. You also do get the removable elastic band. You do get your 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, and your adjustable strap also for extra security. This unit also does have a nice pre-plucked hairline, and this one does come with some baby hairs in the front that you can customize if that is something that you are interested in. I did go ahead and wash my unit. You guys know I like to wash my wavy, and I also like to wash my curly or deep wave units just because I want to get those factory curls out and see what it's going to look like after it has been washed. It did fall into a nice loose wave pattern, and it still looks very, very thick even after I washed the unit. Cap size on this unit is a average cap size. On the website it states that it is a 22 to 22 and a half. It is a little bit big on me, so I do like that they did go ahead and add the removable elastic band, because without it I would be all over the place. It would definitely slide back, but because I use the adjustable strap and elastic band, it is on me snug. I'm not going to have to worry about it, you know, sliding off. Now I'm just taking my Care wax stick. I'm going to go around the hairline and use my hot comb and just kind of press everything out before I start to cut the lace. So I've been doing some different techniques lately just to kind of switch things up and kind of see what works for me. So I went ahead and did this step first because I knew that I wasn't going to have to do too much more to this unit because most of the work was already done. So I'm making sure to pin my hair back because I'm going to work on cutting off this lace. I did have to cut around by my ear because that lace was coming over, and you don't want that lace to fall over by your ear. I will film a more detailed tutorial on me cutting off the lace by my ear because I have been getting some requests. Of course, I moved just a little bit quicker because it's now just second nature to me. I also did pluck out a little bit more hair out of the hairline. As you guys can see in the beginning, the hair did come pre-plucked, and you do get a very nice pre-plucked hairline, but I've been just working more on trying to pluck out my units and getting more comfortable with it. I will start recording that process also when I pluck out my units and style them also. Can see I'm not just going across, I'm kind of curving my scissors and just going in certain spots and cutting off a little bit more. Sometimes you will have to cut into the lace to make it look more natural, so that is okay. Just make sure you are taking your time with it and also have some sharp tools, but just be careful. So now I'm just going to go in with my Glam Force spray. Just to let you guys know, if you want to rock this unit glueless, you can skip this whole step and just start working on adding your powder or your mousse to kind of make it look more natural and for the lace to blend into your skin. Now this lace isn't like super thin, so I feel like I had to just add a little bit of freeze spray just to make it look more natural. And I did see that the lace was just a little bit light. I did not use any of my tint spray around the hairline, so I had to go ahead and melt this in so that it would look a little bit better. I'm also going to take a little bit of that spray and spray it on my edge brush and then work on swooping those hairs over on the side. I did not use a lot of the spray, just a little bit, because they were already kind of pre-styled. I just wanted them to stay in place. Now I'm just going to use my Ruby Kisses 3D Contour Creator Powder Palette, and I was confused on what colors I was using. It's kind of hard to point to them on the camera, like on my side. So I had to go in with 2 different colors because For some reason, the one color I was using, because the lace was already kind of light, I had to go in with a lighter color and then a little bit of a darker color just to make it blend in a little bit more. Sometimes I have to do that, especially if I do not go in with any of my tint spray. Now, if I decide to wear the unit and I really love it and I want to rock it, then when I wash it the next time, I would just go ahead and add a little bit of spray to the hairline so I don't have to worry about adding in any powder. And it usually does help me to just put the unit on and just go without having to worry about if it's blending or not. I'm also going to take some powder into the parting space because, as you guys can see, the Fake Scalp on this unit is more kind of on the light yellow, light side. So you are going to have to go in with your powder just to kind of make it blend in more and look realistic. So now I'm just going to go in with my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum. I'm going to rub that throughout the hairline and also throughout the hair. I also need to make sure I focus on the ends of the hair because they were a little bit dry. This hair is very thick, as you guys can see, even after I washed it. Sometimes when you take units out of the package, they'll look thick, but then when you wash them, they kind of thin up. And this one, it did not happen on this one. I want to show you guys these little cute clips that I picked up from the local beauty supply store, and I added these on the side to kind of glam it up. Now the camera did cut off when I was trying to show you guys me putting them on. It died, so I had to switch out my battery and then turn the camera back on. But this is the final look of the hair, guys. I think it looks really cute. It's definitely some big hair don't care because it's very, very full. So if you don't like full hair, this may not be it for you. I did notice on one side it was way more looser than the other side. And at the ends of the hair, it was a little bit dry. I also did get some shedding with this unit. Now, as far as tangling goes, I do expect some tangles to this hair just because of the wave pattern. And you are going to have to take care of it because I feel like it is going to dry out really quickly. So you want to keep this one moisturized. Again, I have the 20-inch length. Now this unit also does come in the lengths 14, 16, 18, and also 22 is the longest length that they offer. As far as the parting space and the hairline on this unit, I do feel like the hairline and the parting space is a little bit on the light side, so you are going to have to use some powder to conceal that. Once I added my powder in, it did make it look more natural. Another thing that I noticed, and I will get up close for you guys, it says that it is invisible knots, but these knots were pretty dark. Like you guys can see right there exactly what I'm talking about. The front of the hairline, you can see a comparison between the front of the hairline and right there in the parting space. The front of the hairline, it looks like they definitely bleached the knots on that, but it just looks a little bit different once you get into the parting space. But it is 13 by 6, so you could be very versatile with this unit. And like I said, the powder does conceal those knots. Yeah, guys, let me know what you think about this loose wave unit. I would just go in and add some tint around the hairline just to kind of make it more, you know, natural and blending in more with my skin tone. But I feel like it's thick and full and it's not too expensive also. So guys, if you are interested, I'll make sure to leave links down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share, and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.